Well, my name is Paul Borosky, and I'm the owner of Quality Business Plan, and I'm here to bring y'all our tip number 25 for business plan writers, which is financial ratios, a good reason to start drinking. Almost all business plans are going to have the standard financial statements, your income statement, your balance sheet, your 12-month profit and loss statement. However, most business plans fail to explain the financial statements, and part of the explanation for financial statements is going to be using financial ratios to indicate or to show the reader what these numbers really mean. So when our business plan writers write a business plan, very often what we're going to do is we're going to put our financial ratios right in the financial projections section. So what we'll do is we'll have our financial projections, and then we'll briefly touch on the financial ratios. We'll talk about our assumptions, and then after that, what we'll do is we dive into financial highlights and ratios. And so what we'll do is we'll touch on some important topics, like for this right here. We touch on some revenues, and then we touch on the profit margins and what does that mean. And then down here, we further talked about the debt ratio and how that was improving for our company as well. So by using financial ratios, it takes your financial statements to a whole new level, and it helps the reader understand exactly what they mean. Now, in order to calculate these ratios, what we use is what's called a financial ratio calculator, and the inputs for this are all in blue. And so what we'll do is we'll input the shares of the stock, the revenues, cost of good, all this information, including the balance sheet, and we'll put cash, short-term investments, accruals, profit, accounts payable. We'll put all the inputs in on this one page right here. And when that's done, we go over to the financial ratios, and this template right here that I've created will show what the ratio is. It'll also show the formula used for the ratio, and then it'll show the ratios for the previous 5 years, or it can show ratio projections for the next 5 as well. And we cover just about almost all the ratios you can think of: liquidity, asset utilization, profitability. And if y'all like to purchase this template right here, just go to this website. We do have this for sale. And if y'all have any questions or need some help writing a business plan, please don't hesitate to give me a shout. Thank you.